Taas ang kamay dito ng bukas na bukas, Monday, may meeting. If your calendar is like 8 Tetris, in a meeting almost every day, pero yung done list mo is empty, then you're not actually leading. You are just witnessing or a spectator to the work without the time to enable it. Kasi in a corporate world, time is our only currency. So if you spend more than 2 hours, 3 hours a day in a meeting, and then working until midnight or until wee hours of the morning to finish last week's action item, then that's not grinding. That's bad management. Kasi you're paying high interest rate debt on your own time, and then the bank's about to foreclose your productivity. Rule number 1, okay, stop defaulting your meetings to 60-minute invites. Sabi sa Parkinson's law, he tells us that work expands to fill the time you give it. So if you give a meeting an hour, people will actually waste 45 minutes of it. So cap your meetings at 30 minutes. And if you can't decide in 30, then you shouldn't be meeting yet. And ako personally, if there's no agenda, clear agenda, I don't attend. Meaning if there's no clear objective and you haven't finished last week's task, then you can always decline. Kasi clarity is important. It's not really on the frequency of the meeting. But if you're a senior person in a room, your responsibility is to provide clarity. And ang disaster pa, if the meeting that you want to talk about is a previous task that you haven't done, it's just a parang funeral for your progress. Kasi let's face it, at the end of the day, you don't get paid to attend. You get paid to deliver. So stop being a meeting goer and start being a result getter.